a lot of coffee.
I'm on theme today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Star Wars.
And she brought the
Star
Star
Wars.
Trek. Hey Jay, look at her Star Wars shirt.
Star Trek?
Look.
I don't see any.
Star Trek. I didn't bring my Star Trek shirt.
You
Was I
didn't-
supposed to?
This guy's gonna start fights. We always talk about him starting fights because every time we talk about a Star Wars character, he's like, "Listen, the Star Trek, blah blah," blah. And he's like, he's trying to start
you gonna
fights.
fight me?
I might.
Yeah.
Well,
I've had a large cup of coffee.
you gotta step in line, Missy.
No, I'm gonna be first.
Come
in
up
line.
a little lighting.
Stuart!
Stuart, see Stuart. Remember I told you we were talking about Stuart?
What the fuck is stupid? Like some
He's
magic-
making
Let
noise.
me do it.
Look what I can do.
Yeah, look what I
I do
can
that all
do.
the time at work and nobody gets it because I work with kids.
Let me do it. Look what I can do.
Yeah.
The leg?
No.
I can't lift my leg up that high.
I'm not even gonna.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna watch you two.
We're doing our morning stretch.
Look at this. Where she can do it. I'm too fat. Like, I'm out of breath just lifting my leg up like that. You okay there? You in a good spot?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm on it.
Better music or something?
I know I'm doing
Yeah. Yo, she was like, yo, you might turn on the thing and I might start doing this with my hands. Cause I don't know what else to do. And I'm like, put your fucking hands on. You remember that movie where
it. Talladega Nights.
Yeah, Talladega Nights.
Ricky Bobby.
Raising his hands up.
Oh yeah.
He's like, I don't know what to do with my hands.
I just
Yeah.
Kim kind of did. He was like,
Well, Kim clearly said, guy, I'm confused.
Yeah.
He's like,
but then he started doing the.
yeah, he started to dance a little bit. Well, there's a studio audience.
Nice.
Remember I told you? See everybody?
I do see everybody.
You gotta do.
The Queen wave?
Yeah. I always acknowledge the people up top. The people up top. They never get acknowledged.
Way up there in the
Yeah,
nose.
all the way up there.
Look at them.
Yeah.
This for the drywallers,
yeah. All the,
ceiling guys
who like stucco.
who like stucco.
Is there a joke I'm supposed to be giving?
No.
No.
We're talking about the stucco.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like,
Local
that's
185. QP.
they're fucking on strike tomorrow.
I
Noel's
know.
gonna be home tomorrow because of the.
Oh, thank God I don't have kids.
I know.
What a dick, huh?
Lucky you.
Right? I mean, I made some good
let me
choices.
see, everybody see my shirt.
I think we can see it.
'Cause
You flex?
No, ma'am.
Whoa!
that's what you
That's-
get.
We're starting off angry.
No, no,
Okay.
We haven't started showing
No,
yet.
no, that's the greeting.
You giving me the finger? Is
No, it's a greeting. It's
It's a greeting. We have a shirt that has the.
hello. One second.
When you.
Wait, what? Hi.
We're gonna do.
Hey, Dave.
What?
Hi.
I know. Yeah, fuck you.
Wait, hold on. So I actually brought something for you.
Oh, you did. That's
Yeah.
nice. I brought something.
Hi.
What? I didn't bring any. I didn't have any
I
pockets.
don't have any pockets. to pull
Wait,
it out.
wait. Hold on. It's back over here. Oh.
Man, you guys are so confusing.
We're not really.
No.
We're really very simple beings.
Simple. I'm very
Yeah,
simple.
Very simple beings.
You know.
I guess we're gonna discuss a little bit of that today.
Eat,
Yes, we
sleep,
are.
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, we're going to
That's
discuss the
pretty much
simpleness of men.
The fucking. It's funny, like the ones you end up meeting. I think it's the simpleness of a certain vintage of man. You know what I mean?
No, no.
No?
Maybe
No.
it's where you're meeting them.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm just saying. No.
No. That was perfect. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Swipe left.
Is
Is it swipe left? Isn't that where it is? Swipe right.
It might be.
Am I-
Yeah, there you go. That's,
Am I-
there's your problem.
Well,
Right.
no one wants to talk to me in person. What do you want me to do about that?
I don't know.
Exactly.
You're all intimidated.
I just think that the way that people date now is stupid.
It's
Yeah.
terrible.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
We're gonna talk about that on the show.
You gotta I gotta see you and
Yeah.
feel
Speak
you out.
to you.
know?
Yeah. Body language. All that stuff.
Gotta
means
know if
something
you
to it.
got like.
That's why I say the vintage of people. Like, because I would never, even if I became single.
I'm gonna use this.
Yeah. It's fine. Even if I was single,
What if
I don't
you're
think I would ever. I don't think I would go online dating. I would
No, it's
just
fucking.
try and figure out my life outside of.
It's a dumpster fire.
Do you snort when you laugh? That's the problem.
Yeah.
I mean,
Is it?
occasionally.
I snort when I
really
laugh.
think that was a
Yeah,
problem.
you're
I
a
thought
problem.
it was
Exactly.
like, I thought it was like
I wish you were not on the show.
quality. I thought it was like an endearing quality. Oh, she's got a funny laugh. No, eh? Oh, fuck me then.
If your laugh is annoying, then...
Well, we'll find out, I guess.
Yeah, I guess we're about to find out. We gotta make her
Laugh.
laugh. Yeah, there you go. There you got it. We did it. Just-
not even a snort. That
Imagine
just sounds
she-
like you're
Imagine she
struggling
got
to breathe. Like a horse?
Is that
Yeah.
the horse is like?
Yeah, I make that noise.
remember what's it called? Jim Carrey's character on fucking
Remember that TV
I
show?
In
Miss-
Living
In Living
Color.
Color. Remember the Vera
Nicole?
DeMiro?
Vera. Yes.
Vera DeMiro on
Oh,
yeah.
I'm Vera.
And he'd have the
The
tiniest
little-
little bikini,
the little
on,
trial.
And he's like, and he come flexing.
Yeah.
Oh, Jim Carrey.
Yeah, fucking,
Love him.
yo, he's a fucking, what do you call him? Icon, man. Fuck, like, I don't give a shit what he does.
His old Jim Carrey.
Yo, what episode is this going to be? The next one is coming up. 15?
15.
Oh, already at 50.
Well, it should be 16, but
Yeah, we fucked that up.
we fucked that up.
Yeah. We have a
How'd you
whole,
fuck
we have
that
a,
up?
we have a whole episode that
The,
The-
You didn't
like-
film?
no, we did it film for like 2 hours. Of
2 hours, and this is,
Wicked
what, this is what you hear.
No! What happened?
No, we don't know.
We don't know.
I have no idea what the fuck happened.
So-
Push record and that fucking thing.
But
Yeah, Duppy.
it's gonna
When
come
we
out.
say Duppy,
What is Duppy? What is...
It's the West Indian.
it's a West
You're
Indian.
gonna have to... Do I get a vocab
Well, I'm
list or
telling you
something?
now.
We're telling you
Duppy.
now.
Can I have a vocab?
No,
Put it-
no.
Sometimes we say
On the
put
fly.
this.
We'll tell
Don't
you
worry,
on the
just ask
fly.
Stuart.
Stuart!
What does Duppy mean?
What does Duppy mean?
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to say it.
Ghost!
And then what if I say it wrong?
that makes it better. It really does.
No, actually say it. Over here, say it.
Duppy.
Actually, that's pretty good.
No, you did good. You did good. Because there's some people who can't. Like, I remember I was trying to get. Remember Michelle? There was a security at work named Michelle.
Yeah, Michelle. I know
She,
Michelle.
I was trying to teach her to say Dutty. I was like, yo, look at this guy with his Dutty foot. And she was like, dirty foot. And I'm like, not dirty.
Ducky.
Dutty foot. You know?
You know what?
You're not,
There's no
you're not
R.
bad.
There's a U.
You said it twice. Better than she's ever said it. Like she'd be like, dirty. Dirty. I'm like, no, there's no R. There's no R.
It's like saying
Dutty.
dust.
Yeah,
Dust. Dusty.
dusty. With no S, yeah.
Double
Dutty.
Dutty.
D-U-T-T-Y, yeah. Dutty.
Actually, I have a, are we gonna say?
you got a bit better with that one,
Should I
yeah.
say that or
Lower
we
my
don't?
voice.
I have a story.
Huh?
Wait, girl. I have a story.
You have a story?
What do we have to wait till...
Okay, let's do this promo.
What do we... I don't...
Dutty.
We're gonna promo something.
Dutty.
Dutty's up there in the words. In the
Trust me, it should be one of the words of the day.
So it's